Hi guys, welcome back to episode 16. My name's George Hanwell and I'm an entrepreneur and I run a landscaping company. Today we are back again at Oslo International School. So let's go have a look inside. We've actually started laying the second layer of rubber. You're going to see a huge difference, so let's check it out. It's like the final touches. So every process on a job, it's always the last ones that like give you that final, like you do all that work in there, all the mud, all the dirt, all the everywhere. And then when you finally lay the grass, it just goes, just pops, just sings. Same with the rubber. If you think you have to dig down 40 centimeters below everywhere is where you start. Then you put your core straight on the bottom, which is the bigger material. You build that up, compacting. Then you go for your crushed stone. That's quite coarse as well. Compact that. Then you go for a finer, what would you call it? Subus in Norwegian, like crushed stone. And then you have your final layer. It's like 0.4, which means between 0 and 4 millimeter. Finely compact, that's how you get your levels perfect. Then you go with your rubber, and then you go with your final layer of rubber. So it's effectively six levels, 6 layers.
Good morning.
Yeah, we came in here today just to make sure that the guys have got a good overview, make sure and anticipate there aren't any small errors, which there aren't. I thought there was, but there isn't. So I stand corrected, which is nice because it actually means that the boys have got control. I know they've got control, and I don't like micromanaging either. I like to just let people get on with it. I have learned if you get complacent and you think you have all the time in the world, suddenly you find out you haven't. So you do need to maintain an alertness and a constant element of push to the projects.
Good morning.
I look like I'm in holiday mode, don't I? Still. Okay, cool. So as you can see, it's starting to take shape. This is not obviously how it's going to look when it's finished. So from here, the mound, this is a little bit too high right now. We need to be -20 because then we can put fresh soil on top and then the grass. There's going to go a little platform here, a little wooden platform, and then the mound is going to come down a little bit and then up again here, because here there's going to be the sitting benches. There's going to be, if I remember rightly, I think it was 3 seats, which are going to be roughly 40 by 40 by 40. So over here, from over there is going to be a little dip up to here. And then from this point here, it's going to go down like this, all the way down to here. So that's that area. Then there is also, it's very important that there is a water drain here. So we have to make sure that the whole area from over there can still drain towards here. So at the moment, this mass is actually in the way. So that's going to come out and be pushed out the way. Foundations, they take the most amount of time. It's where the biggest amount of care needs to be is invested in the foundations. There you go, it's a takeaway for life as well, isn't it? You know, what you put in, you know, what with training, with anything. There's no quick fix, there's no quick way around business. It's time, effort, energy, and a real focus on building from the ground up quality. So, okay guys, that's it from me. That's a wrap. Episode 16 in the bag, and hope you've enjoyed the journey so far this year. Obviously for me, I'm about to take holiday and I'm looking forward to it. I'm dressed for it, and I hope you guys have a really good summer. And just it's really important when we create this space and go away and we spend time with our loved ones or we do something that we enjoy. Just focus on the fact that it's about being present in the moment. I'm saying this for myself, about enjoying what we do and not always striving for or wondering what everybody else is doing. So thank you for those of you who have subscribed so far. Please like or start to comment, give your feedback on how you think things are going. That'd be super cool. Just remember guys, life is a blessing. We are privileged and we have a lot to be grateful for. Thank you so much for following this journey so far. Peace out.